Now, let's talk about the blue card real quick. Toshi is currently trading around 0.00058. I'm still down like I think about 15 or 20% from my entry around 0.00073 thereabout. But I'm not phased at all. There's no point of me panicking, like there's no cause for alarm at all because we are almost at the finish line. Whoever is watching this video right now, if you're still worried, if you're confused, or if you're like maybe still planning to panic sell, there's no point at all. The whales are trying to trick you into selling your Toshi coin for them to buy it cheaper. Now, Toshi is currently in a corrective phase. In the last 3 days, we've been correcting, which is not good at all. And we retrace this pump we had a couple of days ago. Now, the truth of the matter is I don't see Toshi. I might be wrong, but I don't see Toshi losing the 0.00052 level. As a matter of fact, I am still going to deploy huge capital into Toshi. I think I've gotten 3 entries into Toshi so far. We are going to be talking about this Toshi price update real quick, and not to forget that we are also briefly going to talk about the market sentiment, the next FOMC meeting, which is going to result to a rate cut on Wednesday, 17th September 2025. We are going to briefly talk about this orders chart, which is more like one of the important indicators to pay attention to if you really want to know how Toshi is going to pump aggressively to the upside. We are also going to talk about the orders chart, orders against the BTC price MACD indicator on the monthly time frame. Now, this is the orders chart against the BTC price on the monthly time frame as well. Not to forget this very important BTC dominance MACD indicator on the monthly time frame as well, and also this very important BTC price chart. This, like the importance of this chart cannot be overemphasized. If you're yet to like this video, please destroy the like button, share this video with your friends and family, because this video is going to be very, very interesting for those, most especially for those who are indecisive, scared, confused as to what to do. Now, we are also briefly going to be comparing the orders chart against the Ethereum chart. Now, Ethereum is now in her season after breaking out of this box and also taking this resistance out. I think the orders chart, which is the combination of the entire cryptocurrency market cap, excluding the top 10 to top 15 cryptocurrency, is about to do the same, which is going to usher Toshi and the rest of the altcoins to a massive altcoin season. Now, let's go back to Toshi real quick to see what's up. Now, this is Toshi, and I've gotten 3 entries into Toshi so far. For those of you that have been watching my content, you should know what's up. I first got into Toshi and Mochi in 2020. I would advise you to bag more Mochi as well. I first got into those 2 coins in 2023 when Toshi was around $1.4 million in market cap. When Toshi rallied to $900 and something million in market cap, I took some profit and left huge bag for the altcoin season we are waiting for. I'm going to be telling you guys when I'm going to exit and when you guys should start considering taking profit as well. Now, like I said in my previous videos, Toshi just need to take out this 0.0007597, flip it into a support. The moment that is happening, not just a support, I think a support with at least 3 bullish daily candle above that level. The moment that is happening, then nothing is stopping Toshi from rallying aggressively to the upside, taking the market by surprise once again. Whatever I say is strictly my own opinion, by the way. I should not by any means be regarded as financial advice, but it will be wise for you to start DCA into Toshi aggressively right now, because a time will come you would wish you had bought more Toshi coin, but then it will be too late. And if care is not taken, you're going to be used as an exit liquidity if you want to FOMO in at that point. If you're paying attention to the entire cryptocurrency market sentiment, fear and greed index, you will notice we are currently seated at the neutral zone, which is indicating 52 level. Yesterday was neutral, last week was neutral. Now, the reason why the market is currently in an indecisive phase in the neutral zone is as a result of the FOMC meeting we are expecting tomorrow, which is on Wednesday, 17th September 2025. Now, if you're paying attention, we are left with 1 day and 3 hours 53 minutes until the next FOMC meeting. And if you're going down a little bit, you get to see that we have a probability of a 96.1% probability of getting a 25 basis point in the next Fed rate cut, which we are expecting in September 17th, 2025. And we have a 3.9% probability of getting a 50 basis point. Now, in my own opinion, regardless of what rate cut we get tomorrow, either 25 basis point or 50 basis point, I think the market is still going to be bullish for the market in the long run. Like, seriously, that's what I think. And that's one of the reasons why you should not panic sell at the moment. What you should be doing right now is to DCA into your project, into projects you believe are going to perform well in the forthcoming altcoin season. The altcoin season is going to take a lot of people by surprise. It's going to come like a thief in the night. If you really want to maximize your profit, then what you should be doing right now is to DCA into the potential project you believe in. Now, the rate cut is going to usher in a new flow of liquidity into market like stock market, crypto market, and so on. You wouldn't want to be left sitting on the fence when the liquidity flow begins. Now, if you're paying attention to the orders chart against the BTC pair on the monthly time frame, you would notice the last time we got a bounce from here was in 2017. The most recent last time was in 2021, which is the last market cycle. And when we got that bounce, it ushered us into a massive parabolic phase of the entire market. Same thing is happening right now. We've gotten a bounce in 2025 so far from that same level, which is indicating we are now gradually into the altcoin season, which is one of the reasons nobody in his or her right senses should be selling now. Whatever I say, by the way, is strictly my own opinion and should not by any means be regarded as financial advice. Like this video if you haven't already. Please destroy the like button. For those new to this channel, once again, my name is Isaac. You're welcome. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. Now, if you're paying attention to this orders BTC pair chart MACD indicator, you will notice the MACD line is about to go above the signal line, which is a bullish signal indicating we are about to enter into a full-blown altcoin season. The last time the MACD line crossed above the signal line and also went above the zero line was in 2021 when we got this bounce from here. And what happened after then? The entire altcoin market skyrocketed to the moon. Now, we are even yet, both the MACD line and the signal line is yet to cross above the zero line, not to talk of printing a green histogram. We need to print a green histogram like this. Now, the truth of the matter is the reason why I said you're still early to DCA to position aggressively is because the MACD line is yet to cross the signal line. That is indicator number one. Now, the next indication here now is for both the MACD line and the signal line to go above the zero line and also above the histogram. The moment that is happening, then you should know we should already be in a full-blown altcoin season. Now, let's check what the BTC dominance is saying real quick on the monthly time frame, by the way. Now, this is the BTC dominance, and like I've drawn you guys' attention to this chart countless times. The last time the BTC dominance crashed aggressively in 2017, we rallied aggressively. Altcoin rallied aggressively to the upside. Same thing happened in 2021. Now, we are yet to get that aggressive dump on the BTC dominance, which is indicating you guys are still early. That is for those that are yet to position. You are still early and we are almost at the finish line. There's definitely going to be light at the end of the tunnel. There's no point panicking selling right now at all. Like, seriously, the moment that crash is happening, is going to be fast. And altcoins are going to rally aggressively hard as well. That is where you can begin to see 2-digit pump, 3-digit pump on your favorite altcoin on a daily basis. The crash is coming, which is going to usher us into an aggressive altcoin season. If you're paying attention to the MACD indicator for the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame, it has printed its first bearish histogram, which is indicating, and also the MACD line has crossed below the signal line, indicating that the BTC dominance is about to crash. Now, if you are comparing the Ethereum chart, Ethereum is still currently in her season. If you're comparing the Ethereum chart to the others chart, both on the weekly time frame, you will notice the others chart, which is the combination of the entire altcoin market, excluding top 10 to top 15 altcoins in the crypto space or cryptos in the crypto space. Now, the others chart is clearly lagging behind. The moment the others chart is able to completely flip the $305 billion into a clean support and begin to rally aggressively out of this box, just like Ethereum did a couple of weeks ago, then it is going to be a full-blown altcoin season for us. That is what is going to usher the entire altcoin market into a massive altcoin season. You guys should hold your horses very, very well. Now, this is BTC on the daily time frame. BTC price is currently trading around $114,811. Now, I have a limit order around $112,000 level. I posted it on the Telegram channel for you guys as well. Feel free to check it out if you want to get an entry as well. So I have a limit order on BTC. So fingers crossed. Let's see how it goes. So yeah, that's that for that. And if you ask me, I think altcoin season is coming. Hold on to your horses very, very well. DCA if you can. As always, my name is Isaac. If you're yet to like this video, please destroy the like button. Peace out.